on the boat now. We're about to go over to that little island over there. Okay, it's about to happen, guys. So I've already fallen over that little rock over there, and I didn't get that on film, unfortunately. But here we go. We're gonna go for a ride to, and it's a full boat today.
Oh, okay,
What's going on? This is a boat following us. Oh yeah, they're trying to beat us. Are they trying to beat us?
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to have a good time today?
Hey guys, that is so fun.
Alright, once again, ladies and gentlemen, Pino Arana! Wonderful, ladies and gentlemen. How we doing? How's the sleep? Alright, yeah, we're going to ladies and gentlemen now. Somebody reach for the girl on the big quick. Girl on the next one, but I'll ask you one more time. Everybody on board, once again, Pino Arana! Ladies and gentlemen, once again, Pino Arana, welcome to beautiful sunny Arizona. Welcome to Boca Lagoon Cruises. On behalf of the management and staff and the crew, I'd say a big thank you, mother, to you guys, meaning a big thank you. Because part of your payments we put back into our Lagoon Service. Round of applause for that. Thank you. Alright, right now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm just going to introduce to you the crew that'll be looking after you today. Starting off with our skipper of the boat, one of the fastest going up tree climbers right here. And the Cook Islands Breeze, ladies and gentlemen. Round of applause for Captain Awesome number one. Alright, your music man for today, ladies and gentlemen. Any song request, just put it on a $50 note. Please, round of applause for Captain Amazing. Alright, your local witch doctor for today, ladies and gentlemen. Any injuries on board, please come and see Captain Erica. Alright, as we're lucky enough to have one more, ladies and gentlemen. She'll be our photographer for today. She'll be taking your photos. And I believe she just come on Women's Weekly. Please, ladies and gentlemen, round of applause for Captain Flower. lifeguard for today. If something happens to you inside the water, he will come and save you. Please, ladies and gentlemen, round of applause for Captain Baywatch. Alright, and my name is Captain Bumblebee, and I will be a wonderful, sexy, handsome tour guide for today. Alright, right now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm just going to brief to you guys on what we're going to be getting up to throughout today. Now, right now, we start right here in the beautiful beach of Moody Beach. Now, Moody Beach starts on my left-hand side. Once we pass this butcher right here, ending up on my right-hand side with that beautiful resort. This is Moody Beach. Now, right now, we are heading to our snorkeling site, which is our next site, Titicaca, Tikiopi. So we'll be taking a little cruise, about 15 to 20-minute cruise onto our next site. And on our way to our site, ladies and gentlemen, you'll be entertained by some of the local tunes by the band. Also, Captain Wilson right here will step out and show you guys the husking of the coconut and show you some cool tricks with our Kiko leaves. Now, once we reach our snorkeling site, our warriors are going to jump inside the water, show you our fishes, also to show you our plans with before our power. Everybody say power!
Power.
Yeah, we have about 300 to 400 of those flowers just sitting at our snorkeling site. Like I said, our warriors are going to jump inside the water, show you our fishes and also our plan. Once our warriors have done that, you guys turn, you guys will jump inside the water. Our captain right here, Captain Wilson, will talk to you guys about what we have here. And our group now will be swimming out there for about 20 minutes, island minutes. Hands up, any Kiwis are on board. Kiwis. Alright, we'll be swimming out there for about 20 minutes, island minutes. That's about New Zealand. 1 hour. And hopefully you guys will get to see Roger, the Moray eel. Now Roger is about 2 meters long. He's about this big. Apparently he loves white meat. Hopefully we'll get to pull him out and you guys will get to see Roger today. Now once we're done snorkeling out there, we'll load you guys back on board. We'll bring you guys over to this island right here. We'll be having our lunch and our show. Now your chef on that boat, Captain Delicious, has on the menu for you guys yellowfin tuna, sausages all the way from the man butcher for all the fingers on board, as well as fruits, salads, and also drinks. But we're not going to waste any time. We're going to move you over to the main part of the day, which is our showman right here, Captain Wilson. Now he'll be climbing up to the top of the coconut tree, maybe swing onto the next tree. Maybe do a matrix onto the next tree. Also, he'll be showing you guys the different stages of our coconuts, and you guys get to help him out with this show. Now, once he's done the show, we'll put you guys onto the beach side. It is a beautiful day, catch your tan on. Once you guys hear the gong shout, it will be crab race time for our kids. Now, once our crab race is done, we let you guys back on board and we bring you back home safely. How's that sound? Sound good?
Good.
All right, for safety on board, we got first aid kit up at the front here. We got life jackets, we got flippers, transport noodles at the back, and we got filtered water right here on my left-hand side. Nevertheless, we got qualified local which stopped at the back of us, ready to take care of these guys today. Now, last thing, ladies and gentlemen, we've got these small islands right here, and we call these islands motus. Everybody say motus.
Motu.
I'm just going to name them motus. Starting off with this one on my left-hand side, and we call this motu. Motu. Kalapoka. Translation, please.
Rocky Island.
Rocky Island, ladies and gentlemen. A lot of people like to come suntan on this island. You become cooked up, you become burnt. You become the same color as Captain Amazing already. Alright, we move on to our second motu. We'll be having our lunch and our show. We call that motu. Motu. Bonabidi.
100% no touching island.
100% no touching island, ladies and gentlemen. It's a funny story because a lot of people like to get married on that island, and I believe a lot of touching happens on that island. Alright, we move on to our third motu. That is motu. Oneroa.
Long Beach Island, also Mosquito Island.
Mosquito Island, ladies and gentlemen. I advise you not to go on that island. I should be doing the Macarena for the rest of your stay here. Alright, we'll move on to our last motu. That is motu. Tapu.
Cigarette Island.
It's not our cigarette island, it's our sacred island, ladies and gentlemen. Why so sacred? When our 7 buckets is out to Aotearoa, let's sail. Nevertheless, ladies and gentlemen, Let's have some fun. If you guys want to get up and have a dance, have a boogie, we do have 2 poles on each side. You guys know what to do. Let's have some fun, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, Kia ora! Kia ora! Let's have some fun.